Logitech G810, another flashy gamer piece to add to your sick, nasty arsenal. Load up, get into gear, and get ready to go fast with this advanced mechanical keyboard built for gaming.
Buzzword, RGB, give us money. We rob the innocent, the blind, the deaf. We take what is yours and we will behead the infidels. We bite the necks of the vulnerable with our razor-sharp teeth. We'll lodge our dick into your ass and fuck you out of $113 US. Look at our software spine. Look at it. It functions. Look at our separate media buttons. Game mode. Game mode. Volume wheel. 113 USD. RGB. Romer G switches aren't just round switches. They're new. Trust us.
And the completely new Romer G switches are completely new. Here's what they sound like. Doesn't that sound fantastic? Haha, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe for more
Great
reviews just like this. Haha.